very nice and good morning to all of our viewers and welcome to the Wandering Chemistry. These all videos are financed and promoted by Fashionable Film City Banollywood movie developers. And today we are going to learn group 4A elements, and the first element is carbon, and its atomic number is 6, atomic weight is 12, and its configuration, electronic configuration is 1s sub 2, 2s sub 2, 2p sub 1s sub 2, 2s sub 2, 2p sub 2. Now we see its occurrence. In the free state, carbon occurs in nature as diamond and graphite. In combination with other elements, it occurs as carbon dioxide in the air, as hydrocarbons in petroleum, as a host of organic compounds in vegetables and animal matters, and as inorganic compounds like magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate in sedimentary rocks. Its allotropic forms. Carbon exhibits allotropy. Different allotropic modifications of carbon are known, which can be divided into two groups. First, the crystalline form, and the second, the amorphous form. The crystalline form is represented by diamond and graphite, while the amorphous form include various charcoals, wood charcoals, sugar charcoals, animal charcoals, and blood charcoals, etc., lamp black coke, and gas carbons. Next, crystalline allotropy of carbon. First, see the diamond. Diamond, it naturally occurs in South Africa and some other African states, Brazil, the Ural Mountains, and at Golconda in India. Diamond, which is used as gemstone, is generally colorless or a slightly tinted, but black or dark colored varieties called carbonado or bort are also available. The weight of precious diamond is expressed in carat. 1 carat equals to 0.200 grams. Some famous diamonds are Koh-i-Noor, it is of 106 carats, Cullinan 1332 carats, Pitt 136 carat and 25 carats, and Hope 44.5 carat. The property of diamond is tabulated. Next we see this property. Now, a structure of diamond. Diamond forms octahedral crystal. X-ray analysis has shown that each carbon atom in the crystal is surrounded by 4 other carbon atoms placed at equal distances and arranged at the corners of a regular tetrahedron. The carbon atoms are covalently bound to each other, and the crystal as a whole behaves as a giant molecule, where the constituent atoms are linked together by a network of bonds extending throughout the crystal. The unusual hardness and chemical inertness of diamond result from such a structure. It has only sigma bond, and it has sp3 hybridization. Now the use of diamonds. Now we see the use of diamonds. Diamond is used as a gemstone. It is also used for cutting glass and also for drilling rocks. Carbonado or bort is generally used for these purposes, for drilling purposes, drilling rock. Now, artificial and synthetic diamond. Moissan 1893 heated a mixture of sugar, charcoal, and iron powder in an electric furnace at about 3000 degrees Celsius, and then the mixture suddenly cooled. Molten iron dissolved carbon, and some of this crystallized out as a small black or colorless diamond on cooling. Iron was dissolved in hydrochloric acid when the small piece of diamond were obtained. Many other attempts have been made to prepare diamond artificially but none of them was successful on a commercial level or a scale. And the next allotropic form of carbon is graphite. Graphite, also known as plumbago or black lead, is widely distributed in nature. It is found in large quantities in Ceylon, Sri Lanka, Siberia, Spain, Bohemia, and California. Pure graphite is black in color and its density is 2.25. It is soft and opaque. It is greasy and its density is 2.25. Other properties are we will see next. Now, structure of graphite. Graphite forms flaky hexagonal crystal. X-ray analysis shows that crystal consists of two-dimensional hexagonal network of carbon atoms extending indefinitely. The crystal therefore behave as a giant molecule as in diamond, where each carbon atom is at a constant distance from three other covalently bound carbon atoms. Different layers of the hexagonal network of carbon atoms are arranged one above the other at a definite distance. The easy sliding of the layers in easy sliding of the layer one above other accounts for the greasy lubricating property of graphite. It has pi bond and it has got sp2 hybridization. Now its uses. Now we see the uses of graphite. The graphite is used for the preparation of lead pencil, crucibles, electrode, cores of carbon arcs, and also as a coating for casting electrotyping. It is also used as a lubricant, especially for those parts of machines which get very hot during operation. In an atomic pile, graphite is used as a moderator. Artificial graphite. Graphite is artificially prepared from atmospheric carbon by the accretion process. A mixture of powder coke and pitch is heated at about 3000 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 hours in an electric furnace, in which the current is led by carbon rods placed in the mixture. It is believed that silicon carbide (SiC) is first formed in this process, which subsequently decomposes at the prevailing high temperature into graphite and silicon. Silicon volatilizes away. Amorphous carbon. These are generally impure carbons except sugar charcoal, which contains little impurities. The comparative property of charcoal, lamp blacks, and gas carbons are given in the table given in next. Now sugar charcoal. This is the purest form of amorphous carbon and is prepared by the destructive distillation of sugar or by charring sugar with conc H2SO4. The product is washed with water and then heated in a stream of chlorine gas to remove any combined hydrogen which may be left over. The excess of chlorine is removed by heating in hydrogen. Animal charcoal. Animal charcoal may be bone charcoal, bone black, and blood charcoal. Bone charcoal is obtained